I mean, it's... Hello everyone, the Bird Boy here, and bringing you another episode of Dead Island. So let's get to this. Oh, so, it's okay. It's okay. Okay. I usually spend it on survival, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay.
Name's John Sinnamoy, head lifeguard here. Voice on the radio told me you were in trouble at the hotel. Said you were resistant to whatever this is. I didn't believe it. And I found you, and I saw the bite marks.
What immune?
You got no symptoms,
I am immune.
Without love bites, are they? I don't know who you are, or how you know that guy on the radio. He's our only connection with the outside world. We keep losing the bloody signal. We have a monsoon coming. Here's the thing. We need to move everybody to the main lifeguard station. There's an ambulance there and more equipment and a stronger radio with an antenna. I hate to ask, but we can't do this without you. Will you help me?
Equipment and stronger radio. So, that's what we're gonna do. Yeah.
I'll give her a shot.
Good. First off, we need an access card to get past the security gate. Mine's in my room. Full promotion, I forgot to take it with. It's in Bungalow 11, by the pools. Take a weapon and watch yourself. You may be immune. That don't mean you can't die.
Oh, never mind. Okay, so, I guess we go out. Dude. Used to be paradise, but now I don't know what it is. Okay. Yeah, I know. That is just wrong. It is just wrong. It's just wrong. Okay. So many balls. Kick. Kick. Ow. Kick. Okay, never bite him at the ball. Running. That looks awfully familiar. Oh, that's the city. I thought it was from Oh, you wanna? Oh. Okay, I just smashed his face in. Huh? Oh, my thing. No. Okay. Okay. I'm not gonna go on there yet. Oh crap. Forgot about this guy. Oh, where'd he go? There he is.
Why won't they go down?
Yes, I'm right. Oh, okay. Good. Did you face it? Oh, swamp monster. Eris.
Oh, fuck. Jesus Christ. If you hadn't come along. You want to come with me? I'm gathering any supplies I can find at the water sports rental kiosk. Maybe you'll find something that'll come in handy.
It is very nice of him to actually... Oh, stuff. I need this stuff. I need this stuff, you know. You know when you need stuff, you need to get some stuff
used to repair your weapons.
and stuff. But anyway. I want this. I need a baseball bat. If it's like too laggy for you guys, then like I'll try to fix it, but I mean I don't know.
This thing's trash, man.
I mean, shh. You're going to disturb her in her sleep. We're just gonna bash her face in a couple times with my stick. Oh. Wait, I already knew that. Yeah, so apparently, there's these stuff. Yeah, these zombies are freaking retarded. Look, they won't even go after me. Okay, they're going after me. I'm sorry, guys. I'm about to tickle in my throat. Oh. Yep. What? Bull! Bull crap! I freaking legit. Yeah, so as I was saying before, apparently there are these like, alright guys, I'm not sorry about that. But anyway, there are like these skulls that we can get, and like we have to put them in like a certain place and stuff. So, and if we can get like, what the? You should have seen the look at the zombie's face. It was like, oh, it was good. But anyway, we can get like special things. Like, there's like one thing like equipped it to your hands and stuff. I'm gonna throw this stick at him. Yeah, boy.
What is wrong with
Wait, what? This Walker was eating another Walker? Oh, yeah, so like you can get like special things like there's this one thing like you could be like Jesus, like you could be like whoa with your hand and everything, and the zombies are and he's down. He's down. He's done. Go for the coat. I knew it! Yeah! Give me that! I want that back. Yeah, so hopefully, so hopefully I'm gonna try and find them all. I'm gonna kick you. Ooh. You know what I'm thinking? Walking away. Oh, is it a beer? Oh. Got all interested because I saw the beer cans there and I was like, oh, I'm gonna get them all. Hey, what's up, dude? Hey, it's not nice. Kick you in your area. Crap, I passed it. I did that like the last time I played this too with you guys. Hey, guess what? I don't want to deal with you. I don't want to deal with her. God, I always like to do that. Like, yeah. Oh. Guess I should have been looking at the radar the whole time. So yeah, it's all good. It's all good.
Something good in here?
Cheers. That works. I need to unlock all the slots. Like, honestly. Excuse me, guys. I'm sorry. Like, I wanted to, like, I was, like, obsessed with that island last year. Like, I would be in German class and stuff, and I'd just be, like, drawing the logo and stuff. That's pretty cool. Oh! We found him. We're saved! No, we're not. We're dead. We are dead. So, yeah. Oh, hopefully it's not too laggy for you guys, and, really excited to see how it comes out. Oh! Pure scuba! We should go try that out. You know, you and me. You and me. We need to go, like, try that out and have, like, an awesome time with it, you know? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But, anyway, yeah. Just get some stuff. Dude, like, do it. But like, I like how they did this, like, I like how they did the clouds and stuff and, like, the water. I mean, like, I know it's just, like, oh my god, it's just a video game, but I mean, like, I think, like, I like the graphics to a game. And, you know. Excuse me, guys. Yes, I know I need to repair my thingamabobber. Well, follow the blood. Okay, never mind. I don't want to follow the blood anymore. You never know when they're just gonna be like, like pop up at you and stuff. That's crazy. Let's take a swim. What? Oh. Yep, run. Running. Do I have that medic? Let me give me that medic. How do I use the medic? Hey, wouldn't that be? Or should I playing it for the PS3? Get me! Run! Run!
Somebody's having a bad day.
Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, can I get a scar on my back?
My wife. My dad.
Ted B.
Oh, fuck, my own fucking brother. Jesus Christ. What else could I do? Let him kill me? Why are you looking at me like that?
I am looking at you like that because...
What the fuck do you want from me? I had no choice.
Just killed your brother, your wife, and... Yeah, well... Had to do what you had to do. I'm just gonna, I'm gonna take that. Thank you. Oh boy! No, you stay down. I don't want you in my life. Oh! Oh. Beer! We found the beer! God dang it. Like, I have an itch in my throat.
This is
like,
Roger Howard on a special assignment on the island of Banoi.
We're
I'm
trying to collect all the
investigating
facts,
illegal logging and clear cutting that's not only damaging the ecosystem here, but costing the people of Banoi billions. I've been told that my life might be in danger, as those behind this illegal activity will stop at nothing to protect their criminal enterprise. As a precaution, I will be leaving a trail of recordings wherever I go. If something were to happen to me, the truth would still be told. I'm looking now to meet with an informant who I believe could rip the lid off.
Didn't expect that. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to end this episode here. Please leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe to become part of everyone in the Everyone Army, or the Creeper in the Creeper Army. Please leave a comment down below, tell me how I did, and as always, have a good day, my friend.